Well, hey there, Ty and Teresa. You just asked a question about the Sony Action Cam. I've got the Mini in my hand. So, as we stand right now, it's outside of the waterproof case. It's a splash-proof camera, so anything that you and I do kayak-wise ought to be fine just the way it is. So, from an arm's distance, this is a full arm's distance, this is what you get. This is what you get when you're doing the point of view, say it's mounted on your glass. Some cool stuff instead. Let's check out some cool stuff. Alright, so this is on your chest. Again, this is on your head near your glasses. This is arm's distance away, so there you go right there, give you a little eye. And we're going to walk, this is about 10 feet away, so this is the audio quality you get about 10 feet away. How's that? We'll double it to about 20 feet, so this is the audio quality you get about 20 feet away. Cameras, you can get audio through the waterproof case without having to plug anything into the back of it. So there you go. I hope this helps out a little bit. You guys take care. Bye.